Good morning. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. I'm so happy you're here with me today. I'm glad you took time out of your busy schedule to see what I create, and I appreciate that so much. Today I am doing Marguerite Miller's collage assignment, week number 22. I need an image of something being held, and I thought this little gardening picture with the lady holding a flower and a watering can would be perfect for that. And it's also the perfect size. A pair of glasses. So I thought sunglasses for gardening would be great. Something bright. I have the sun, which we're going to kind of put up in the corner over here. And then a picture of jewelry. And I thought I have this little heart, but I don't think it's big enough for what I want to do. So I'm going to put this earring, but I'm only going to use the top part, and that's going to kind of go right behind here. And then I have to figure out how I'm going to put some numbers on here. So let's first of all glue down this. I got a little paper here. I'm going to need to get some more out for gluing. And I hope you're having a great day. I'm filming Saturday before this is due out. And it's sunny, rainy, sunny, rainy, sunny, rainy all day. Well, all morning, I should say. And we're trying to get some plants planted out there. Well, I should say my husband is trying to plant the sunflowers that I planted indoors in March, which I really should have waited until April. Which you might have know that if this is not sticking where I want it to be. I've mentioned that several times. I should have waited until I should have waited until April to start them in the house in the Northeast, upper Northeast, upstate New York to be exact. Okay, so she's going there. Let's get my little scraper thingy here. That's going there. Oh, I forgot. This has to go slightly behind. I don't think I'm going to be able to do that anymore. This is going to have to go, let's see. It's just going to go like this. I think we can still do it. I see a little piece of white here that I want to cut off, though. If I can, without destroying it. We were going to go to a flea market, but it just keeps being nice and then pouring. So I don't know if I really feel like it. I've had a headache for a couple of days, actually. And I'm not too thrilled. Not sure if I really want to go anywhere. Headaches are annoying, as I'm sure some of you know that. Alright, that looks pretty darn cute if I do say so myself. The sun, oh no, I forgot this is supposed to go behind there. We're going to have to put this somewhere else, I guess. First, let's put the sun down. The sun's kind of going to not be totally on the page, kind of like this. So let's do that. It's kind of like the bottom half of the sun going on there. So that's good. I think I need a little more glue on this. Do you start plants in this house in the spring, or are you not a gardener? Are you a gardener? I'm starting to feel like I really love having sunflowers. They're just so pretty. But it's a lot of work. And sometimes the critters eat them. This looks good so far. What if I just put this little piece here, like this? I don't know. It's just too big now. could put the, now the heart might work. Can pretend, actually, let's cut this little one out. And we can pretend it's a flower. All right, let's see how that would look. I think it would look fine. I do. Let's just cover up a flower here. Why not? So that's part of an earring. And now I have to come up with numbers. Where am I guess I'll just put stamp some numbers up there. Why not? I'll stamp the date. I don't know what my favorite numbers are. Who's got a favorite number? Does anybody really have a favorite number? I don't really have a favorite number. So I think I'm just going to get my little number stamps out and try to stamp the date at the top. I'm not using my date stamp. I'm going to use these stamps right here. Okay. So what is the date? Good question. I gotta look. It is May 24. So that's 5. Oops. We need a 5. And we need some ink. I feel like I should put something right here though. I don't know, maybe a flower. Okay, so we got 5. I don't think I have a dash. Oh, I do have a dash. 5, 24, did I say 24 or 25 now? 24. Okay, 4, 24 dash. Oop. 25. Where's my 2? 2, 5. There we go. 5, 24, 25 are my numbers. And I don't know. So we have something of image of something being held, a pair of glasses, something bright, a piece of jewelry, and my numbers. That's all I need. I just feel like I should put a little flower here or something. Let me go look for a flower and then I'll be back. Alright, so I'm going to put a little felt flower right here. Oops, that's a lot of glue. And I chose a color that would stand out. I was going to go with red and then yellow, but it just didn't stand out enough. So there it is, my collage for week 22. And I really like this one. I didn't think I was going to, but I think it's really cute. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. But we don't have to wait until next Sunday, because I got lots of other videos on my channel that you can check out. And I also have a Ko-fi page that you can check out too. So thanks so much, and we'll see you again next time. Have a great Memorial Day weekend. Bye-bye.